so I'm not sure how you can see this, but on DayZ I'm at the Northwest Airfield. As you can see, I've got a Standalone, a UMP, M4, everything. Now what I've done, I've logged onto this server and I run up into the guard security tent, whatever you call them, and yeah, you just run up to it normally on a low pop, and I look inside, and boom, there's loot everywhere. There's AK-101s, blazes, magnums, everything, stuff people drops. I can stuff everywhere, mags. There's it's at the Northwest Airfield, one of the officers' tents. Look at all these attachments, all the mags, everything you need, all there. Now I'm not sure if it's because of a glitch in like persistence or something like that, but it's always nice to come across it. It's easy loot. So if anyone knows what the actual like cause of it is, please let me know in the comments. I don't know if it's like a bug in persistence or it's just, I'm not sure. So yeah. Now the server restart, so yeah.